Hello, welcome to the Outback YouTube channel. This video is the continuation of the rigid ball animation in Blender. If you want to see the final animation, click on the timestamp in the description section of the video. Also, this video is not a tutorial but just an experimentation with Blender. There might be some noise and ambience in the background. My apologies if it's causing the distraction. Grease pencil tool has been fun so far, and I continued with the rigid ball animation and added it to make the rubber ball animation. If you're not familiar with 2D animation capabilities of Blender, you should definitely check out the trailer to the short The Hero by Blender Foundation. I will put the link in the description section of the video. Here, I am modifying the shapes of the ball to give them squash or stretch. Adding stretch and squash would give the rubber feel to the ball. I mostly use the shear and the rotational tool to give the ball the shapes needed. I had to keep in mind that the path of the ball is not disturbed much and the animation keeps its fluidity. A little more work was done between this segment of the video and the final animation. Unfortunately, I was not able to record that part. Mostly, I added the color and shadow to the ball. Here is the final animation.